Yo, today I decided I was gonna make sushi using salmon bites. Let's get started. You see that I'm cleaning off the rice. I'm adding the salmon bites to the oil. I'm gonna deep fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. Go ahead and season that thing right on up because we do not want no bland salmon bites. So you see, then I'm adding the vegetables, which is cucumber, carrots, and also avocado. Set that to the side. Added some organic sugar and some mirin, some sweet cooking seasoning to the rice once it's done. Now here's the sticky part. You gotta definitely keep your hands moist and adding the rice onto there. So once it's added, you see that I add the salmon bites, cucumbers, the avocado. I threw a little bit of Himalayan salt and some sweet and sour sauce. Now it's time to roll it up. Once it is done, cut it up real good with a sharp knife and time to eat.